So you may have heard the saying that it takes money to make money, but in this video, I am going to once and for all prove that wrong, because I'm gonna be showing you not only how you can make money, but how you can actually get started making money even if you don't have a credit card. I'm gonna show you how to make money even if you are so broke that going to McDonald's and getting a McChicken sounds like a luxury meal. I'm gonna show you how to make money even if you're so broke that when burglars break into your house, they leave money for you. I'm gonna show you how to make money online even if you are so broke that you wash your paper plates. All right, I'm done. So let's jump into my computer real quick and I'm gonna walk you through literally step by step how to start making money online, working from home with literally no credit card, which I know can be a major issue for some people when they're trying to actually get started. So let's count down from the third all the way down to the number one best strategy to start making money online right now, even if you have no credit card. But before we do, if you enjoy videos like this, if you enjoy my channel, then please do me a huge favor and tap that little like button, because it helps me reach more people like you who want to actually create something special and start earning some passive income on the internet. And make sure you subscribe to The Strongest Family on YouTube on our path to 1 million subscribers, which we should hit in the next couple of months. And so without further ado, let's jump directly into my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Let's go. All right, guys, so you have probably heard about t-shirts. You're probably even wearing one right now. And the cool thing about t-shirts is most human beings wear them, all right? And people buy t-shirts for a very specific set of reasons that we're actually gonna talk about later on in this video. But what a lot of people don't know is you don't have to have any technical skills and you don't have to pay any money to actually create a t-shirt business and to really start to make a significant amount of money doing it, because you can leverage tools like Teespring and other services that allow you to upload your own designs and actually start selling t-shirts without doing any of the work. Teespring will print the t-shirt, Teespring will actually make your design, Teespring will collect the money for you, Teespring will fulfill the order, ship the order out, literally do all of the work, and then give you a cut of the profit for each sale that you actually bring in. And if you're thinking to yourself, yeah, Kevin, that sounds great, but I don't know what the heck I'm gonna put on a t-shirt. How do I actually make a t-shirt that people are going to want to buy? And that is a great question. And we're gonna go over a bunch of cool ways to find what type of t-shirt designs are actually trending on the internet to remove all of the guesswork so that you don't have to actually, mess around and do a bunch of stuff like that. So this is Teespring. We can see it right here. But what people don't know is that Teespring actually has a top seller section, right? And so we can see all of the top selling t-shirts on Teespring right here. Beware the Chef is Hot, Master Bader, that's actually funny. Basic Witch, which is great. And she's like holding, some Starbucks. And so literally within a few seconds, we can see these designs that are already selling the best on a massive site like Teespring, for example. But how do we actually attract people to our t-shirts once we choose a design? And don't worry, we're gonna show you a bunch of other ways to actually find designs that are already going viral so that you don't have to do any guesswork and you're gonna be able to sell a lot of these t-shirts. So what we're gonna do is head over to handy dandy Facebook and we're gonna type in funny t-shirts, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna filter to where it says pages, and we're gonna see, you'll just click the first one, awesome tees. And what we can see is these people have, 68 comments, 27 shares. It's like a picture of a person petting a dog. Oh my God, that's actually funny. That's not a dog, but that's hilarious. Or maybe it is a dog, I don't know. You are my person, you always will be my person. So like mugs, right? Look at the social shares, 15,000 likes, 12,000 comments, 5.3 thousand shares, right? So we can contact these people. We can, show them other funny t-shirts. We can actually comment on this stuff ourselves and say, wow, I really loved that t-shirt, but I really like this one a lot more. And then you can just link to your Teespring design, right? And setting up a Teespring store is literally as easy as just signing up for a free registration and uploading a design, right? And if you're thinking to yourself, but Kevin, I don't know how to make a design, right? I'm not a graphic artist. Well, there are incredibly cheap, incredibly talented graphic artists on Fiverr.com. You can see for $5, I will create a trendy t-shirt design, literally for $5. And we can see down here that if we scroll down, right, there's a bunch of other ones. before you hurt my daughter, you need to know I will rock that orange, right? That he'll, I guess kill you and go to jail if you hurt her daughter. And there's a lot of different things that you can scroll down and see that. And this is just one example of an actual t-shirt Facebook page that you can actually create completely for free, of course, without a credit card, just by creating a basic Facebook page and starting to post funny or viral content. And the cool thing about Facebook is if you catch just one post, right, and one post goes viral, what can happen is you can actually really start to take off, and that post can explode, and all of a sudden, 10,000, 100,000 people see your post or see, what you posted on your Facebook page. And then if you link to your Teespring design, what happens is if 10,000 people see that design, a lot of them are actually going to buy it, and you can make a significant amount of money without doing much work at all. Another way that I like to find viral t-shirt designs is actually heading to a site called Watch Count. And what you can do is you can type in funny t-shirt, and Watch Count is going to show you the most saved products on ebay.com. So if we click into this one, we can see that 3,546 people actually saved this product, probably with the intention of buying it for themselves or buying it as a gift. And we can see that this shirt says guns kill people, I guess pencils misspell words, cars drive drunk, and spoons make people fat, right? And so one thing about t-shirts that you'll learn is people love polarity. People love, topics, and they love wearing things that really show how they feel about certain topics, right? And so people love, wearing t-shirts about really controversial topics. Of course, this is a controversial topic that people feel very strongly in favor of or very strongly against. And for somebody to wear a t-shirt, which is essentially an advertisement on your body, they have to feel strongly about that particular thing. Another awesome way to find viral t-shirt designs is actually going to wish.com. So if we come in here and type in t-shirt, we can actually see exactly how many people have bought this t-shirt. And you can see that for some reason, Wish saved my currency in a different country currency code. Obviously, this t-shirt's not $10,002, but you can see exactly how many people bought it. 5,000 plus people bought it. 1,000 people bought it. 50,000 people bought it. 1,000 people, right? And so you can see straight out of Azkaban, this is an amazing shirt, right? For Harry Potter fans, which of course feel very strongly about that, that topic. And so you can see exactly right here the amount of social proof that these particular t-shirts have. And that is the key, guys. You don't want to guess here. Just look at what's already working, what already has a ton of social proof, and then make a similar design. Pay somebody $5 on Fiverr to actually create something similar, something that you feel is even funnier, slightly different, or just creating the design as your own original version. And so to summarize, make a meme page on Facebook, start sharing interesting designs, and then make sure you actually include the link to your free Teespring design after you get it designed on Fiverr, right? So you find a design, get it designed for $5 on Fiverr, upload that design to your free Teespring account. It'll give you a URL to the product page, and then you just link that URL on your Facebook page where you post funny, interesting, meme style content that people enjoy seeing, that they find funny, and that they're likely to share. And if you get even one post to go viral or get a bunch of comments or get people to actually engage, then you can really sell a lot of t-shirts. And again, you can go to pre-existing pages, look at the type of people that are commenting and say, wow, that is a funny shirt, but this is like the funniest shirt that I've ever seen, and then include a link to your Teespring account. The number 2 strategy to make money with zero money to start and no credit card is similar to strategy 1, but it's leveraging a different social media platform, which I'm sure you've heard of. It's called Instagram. So we can see right here that there's a ton of huge meme pages on Instagram. I just chose one randomly. It's called Sarcasm Only. You can see that they have a bunch of different content here. Me once in a while versus me all the time. This has 216,000 likes, and it was only posted 7 hours ago, right? You can see that they also have a link here in the description. The reason that they have Fashion Nova in the link in the description is either because Fashion Nova purchased the meme account from the original creator, or Fashion Nova is paying, this meme account, a significant amount of money to actually have their link linked right here, because they know how many millions of people are actually seeing this content, following the page. You can see there's 14.1 million followers here. And obviously you're not going to have 14.1 million followers overnight, but you can create a meme style page about a specific subject or just memes in general, and repost funny memes that you like, crediting the original author or creating your your own, memes based on things that you see from around the internet, on Reddit and on Twitter. Trust me when I tell you, there's no shortage of inspiration when it actually comes to creating memes. And so all you have to do is create a meme account that's very viral, very shareable. And then all you have to do is link in the description right here, the link to your Teespring product page with your viral t-shirt design. And so let's go over a few other really awesome ways to actually come up with some viral t-shirt designs, because I know that's the hardest part, coming up with what t-shirt is actually likely to sell, what t-shirt is going to convert. And you want to think about your demographic. If you're making meme style funny content, then you probably want to have meme style funny t-shirt graphics, right? You probably don't want to have something, sad or something like that. People who follow meme pages want to laugh. They like that style of humor, and they're probably likely to buy a t-shirt that goes in line with that style of humor. And so let's actually go into something called Google Trends. If we go into trends.google.com, which is a completely free service, we can see that if we type in t-shirt in the United States in the past 12 months, what we can do is we can see what states are actually the most likely to type in t-shirts. But what's cool here is if we come down into related queries, we can actually sort by rising, and we can see that the Betsy Ross t-shirt is a breakout, right? The Aria t-shirt is plus 5,000%, Stand Up for Betty Ross plus 3,700, Burn Bundy Burn, Drunkle t-shirt, right? Drunk Uncle. There's all these things that Google is literally telling us have, significant, 4 or 5 figure percentage increases in searches, which means that there's thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people interested in these specific topics. And so to summarize number 2, what you want to do is create a meme Instagram page, which is completely free, doesn't require a credit card, and start posting content similar to the other popular meme pages. And if you don't know what they are, just Google search the top meme Instagram accounts and look at all of them, follow all of them, so you can start to get ideas of what people like based on the number of likes, the number of shares, and the number of comments, and then post content like that. And then once you do that, all you have to do is link in the bio of your Instagram to your actual Teespring product page. And then anytime somebody visits your page, they're gonna click on your bio link and they're going to buy your t-shirt. And that is how you get paid with zero money and no credit card. And the number one best strategy to make money online working from home, and we're talking about passive income here, guys, is something called Merch by Amazon. And Merch by Amazon is basically Amazon's version of you being able to upload your own designs directly to Amazon, and Amazon handles all of the fulfillment. They print the t-shirts for you, and you just collect a commission check based on every single sale that you get. And one of the best ways to go about approaching Amazon is to think about politics, right? If we type in Trump t-shirt here, especially with an election coming up, what you're gonna see is a bunch of different t-shirts. Trump, whatever, I'm not gonna read that. Jesus is my savior, Trump is my president. And regardless about how you feel about Trump, right? People feel so passionately about him. They either love him or they really don't love him. And that's the perfect thing that you want to create a t-shirt about. You can see this one has 1,472 reviews, and there's a ton of different t-shirts here. And you want to, again, follow the social proof. Base your designs on things that have a bunch of reviews, things that have a bunch of sales, and then you can follow suit and get those same amount of sales. Another thing that I love to do is actually go to Etsy.com here and type in funny t-shirts. If you sort by relevancy, you can actually see that this one has 1,193 reviews, right? And let's say that 10% of people leave a review. That means that this probably has 10 times more sales than it actually shows right here. Or this particular t-shirt right here actually has sold over 10,000 units, which means that if it's selling well on Etsy, it's probably likely to sell well on Amazon as well. And if we type in, Trump t-shirts, then we can see the exact same thing. Sorting by relevancy, 3,500 5 stars, America with Trump with a, American flag bandana and some sunglasses, right? If you like Trump, that's a pretty hilarious, awesome t-shirt. If you're offended, I'll help you pack, right? So you wanna look for the things that have the most reviews here, 3,500, 1,875, and you wanna get ahead of this, right? You know that the election's coming up. Regardless of how you feel, you can make a significant amount of money doing this. I had a friend who made over $3 $3 million selling Trump memorabilia and Trump coins, during his first election year. So you can really make a significant amount of money actually uploading these free designs to Teespring and making a Facebook meme page, or free designs on Teespring and making a meme page on Instagram, or free designs to merch by Amazon, and let Amazon take care of everything for you and leverage the millions and millions of customers they already have browsing Amazon every day for Trump t-shirts, for meme t-shirts, for funny t-shirts, for cat t-shirts, for all these different types of topics. And so what we talked about is a really great way to start earning some initial money on the internet. But if you're looking for a real way to start making a full-time income online and take it very, very seriously, check out this brand new book that I just released called Unfair Advantage. This is everything that I've learned going from 0 to over 8 figures in just 18 months. It's all literally in here, and I want to give away a free copy to you. We're going to give away over 100 free copies of this book, and if you want to claim your free copy, just click the link down in the description to claim yours. Again, it's 100% free, and it's the exact blueprint that I personally followed to go from 0, a dead-end accountant, to creating the life that I've always wanted, and a life of freedom and a life of working on the internet. The blueprint is right here, and I want to give it to you for free. All you have to do is handle shipping and handling. Or if you want to learn more about how to make money on the internet here on YouTube, check out this video right here where I teach you how to make $1,000 per week even if you don't have a job. It's going to be a good one. See you there. Hey, yo, what is up, ninjas? If you want to learn how to make $1,000 per week with no job, and even better yet, zero money to start, you're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be a good one.